In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add hearing shortcut to your iPhone's control center right here. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings. Then scroll down a bit and tap at Control Center, and that's where you can add any shortcuts from more controls to the Control Center. So first off we need to find hearing shortcut. Here it is, and now all we have to do in order to add it to the control center is just to tap at the plus sign next to shortcut's name, and what that will do, that will immediately move it to included controls. That actually means that hearing shortcut has already been added to the control center. We can easily check that by swiping down from the top right. As you can see, this shortcut appeared right here. Also, we can change the order of control center shortcuts simply by dragging them up or down in that way, and that will also change the order of control center shortcuts right here. If you want to remove a shortcut from the control center, all you have to do is just tap at the minus sign next to shortcut name and then just hit at remove. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.